very warm welcome to our course, Language Learning Through Culture and Cooking. In the next few weeks, we will combine learning English with cooking and culture. We will show you how to cook different food and we will learn English too. We will watch videos and listen to different people from the UK, and we will do various activities or tasks in each module to help us practice what we learn. We'd like you to get involved too. Be active and share with us your stories, your pictures and your cooking skills too, so we will all learn from each other. There are 4 modules on this course. In Module 1, we learn about differences in eating habits in different cultures. What is the first meal of the day called in your culture, and what do you eat? There are 7 activities in this module to help you understand and learn what other people eat every day. That way you can improve your vocabulary and you can improve your communication skills too. In task 4, I'm going to show you how to prepare some eggs for a British breakfast table, which is a very unusual way. Now, do you know what other types of food you can find on a British breakfast table?